Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by that title, as y'all can tell by that thumbnail, y'all know what we're about to be getting into. Y'all, it is cold. It's been cold here in South Carolina for the past few days, baby. And honestly, I've been in the house. I'm not finna go outside in this cold, but today we finna go to the grocery store to prep for this cold front, this what it's called, snowstorm. It's supposed to be storming, like a storm or whatever. So we finna go to the grocery store and prep for that. Cause we can't be without food. Cause baby, I like to eat. Even though I'm trying to lose weight, I like to eat. But I'm gonna take y'all with me to see what I get and, you know, a little prep. But for now, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell to get notified when your girl upload a video. Cause I see y'all been rocking with me. I love that. I really love that. Y'all make me feel special. What you want to say? Subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. Like. And comment. Yeah.
Bye. Well, your favorite number is the 1 or 100.
Baby, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell to get notified when your girl upload a new video. Yeah, it's too much going on. I'll catch y'all when we go in the grocery store. Okay. Okay, y'all, we made it to the store, and right now I'm over here getting some eggs. Honestly, I don't know which one to get off my wig. Stop. Yeah, I should have left them in the car because she being bad. So I'm gonna just get the large. I guess these are it. Hey, sit. I'm gonna just get the sit down and stop. I'm gonna just get those because I don't know. Ooh. I don't know which one to get, honestly. And we need to get cheese. So I'm gonna get some cheese. It's back here. Mommy, stop. Yana, no ma'am. I'm gonna just get some cheese because I don't know which one to get, honestly. And I hope I get the right one because I don't feel like walking back here again. So, and mild cheddar, I think. So I'm gonna just get that and see if it's the right kind, honestly. What you want? And we need milk, so I'm gonna get some milk.
Add chocolate milk.
I think it's 2 counts of milk, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna get 2 1% milk. So
Chocolate milk.
you want chocolate milk? We'll get some syrup and make chocolate milk, okay? Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we done because we still in the store. What you want for dinner? Oh, we still in the store and I can't figure out what we having for dinner. Cause I'm tired of chicken. I honestly am, like, so tired of chicken. And they don't got the wings that I'm looking for. I just said I'm tired of chicken. They don't got the wings I'm looking for. That's crazy. You want pizza?
Yeah, pizza.
So I guess we having pizza. Even though I don't want pizza. You want fries? You want pizza? Cheese? Okay, I guess we having cheese pizza. We got 2 cheese pizzas. You wanna hold it or no?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. So.
And I gotta find me something because I really, honestly, truly don't want pizza. Honestly, don't. Oh, they got some hot wings. They got some hot wings. I just said I'm tired of chicken. But I guess that's what I'm eating tonight. Yeah. I guess that's what I'm eating tonight. But I want to start eating like a little healthier, honestly. Because I haven't ate pork in a minute since last Christmas, I think. Well, Christmas. I said last Christmas. Since Christmas, that's my last time eating pork was the ribs. So I'm kind of proud of myself on that. But what you want, baby? You want Cheetos? Yeah, she wants some chips. So we finna go get her. No, they don't. We finna go get her some chips so they can eat with their pizza. Cause I'm just getting stuff off my week right now. Yeah, this buggy hard to drive when I'm trying to record and stuff. I need to get me another tripod, honestly. You want Doritos or Cheetos?
Doritos.
You want? Okay, we are at checkout right now. I feel like I'm forgetting something, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll come back to me when we get home.
No.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I always do that. I need to start writing stuff down. Hey. I need to start writing stuff down so I won't forget it. Because I be having it in my head. I'm like, oh, I'm not going to forget. Then when I get to the store, I completely slip my mind. Hey. But yeah. But I'll come back to y'all when we get home. Cause, yeah. Okay, y'all. We made it back. And baby, I am hot. But I'm about to put up these few groceries. Yeah, I'm about to put up these. Yeah, she up there eating gummy bears. But I'm about to put up these few groceries. Yeah.
Hi. Back home.
Yeah, come on. And I'm going to come back after I get finished putting up these groceries. Because, baby, I forgot how it was. Hey, no. I forgot how it was having 2 kids in a grocery store. It ain't even my son. I ain't going to say that. It's not even my son.
Hi.
But that one right there that's saying, hey. Baby.
Hi.
She is some serious, y'all.
Gummy
Yeah, gummy bears.
Hey.
You want to say hi?
Hi. Back home.
Yeah, we back home. You want to eat pizza?
Eat pizza.
Yeah.
Cheeseburger.
I'm not cooking no cheeseburger.
Pizza.
Yeah, I'll be back. I gotta help my baby take off his shoes. But I'll be back after I put this stuff up. Hey y'all, and welcome back, y'all. Today is a whole new day. Honestly, I forgot to come back yesterday. But today, I was like, why not continue with behind me? Don't mind the mess. That's what I'm here to do because we finna clean up. Y'all, we was supposed to get snow. I ain't seen no snow. It's just been raining and super cold. Like, I'm not rocking with it at all. So, honestly, I've been laying around. I've been up here and there, but now it's time to get up and get this house together because I can't do it. I can't stay in no nasty house, you know? So, right now, we about to wash these dishes and stuff, get this out the way, clean up a little bit. And y'all finna be along with me. I hope everyone is safe and sound during this cold. I hope you in warmth. Because outside, baby, it's no joke. No joke. Like, if you have to work in this weather, I salute you and everything. But I hope everybody is safe and sound during this weather. The snow, the fire in LA. I hope everyone is okay up there as well. Yeah, it's hot and cold. Hot and cold. What we got going on? What's going on? But yeah, let's get into cleaning up. Okay guys, so I just got done cleaning up the kitchen and washing dishes and stuff like that. See, it's clean, it's clean, it's clean, it's clean, it's clean. Yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when your girl upload a new video. Until next time, we out.